the serene wetlands, the Great Egret is the epitome of grace and power. Motionless, it becomes a statue of white, blending into the landscape, waiting patiently for the perfect moment. This stillness is not inaction, but soothing. Soothes ecstasy, storing energy. Its curved neck, like a fully drawn bow, holds the power of imminent explosion. In an instant, its neck snaps forward, like a spring. Its sharp beak, a living harpoon, pierces the water with deadly precision. Its brain must instantly calculate the refraction angle, overcoming physics, to strike the fish, not the illusion. This is more than feeding. It's a masterpiece of survival, honed by millions of years of evolution, where elegance meets a lethal strike. This is the Great Egret's masterclass in survival.